Hello children, welcome back to the lecture series of organic conversions. In the previous videos, I've already covered the organic conversions till aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acid. Now the last chapter is remaining, that is amines. So today we are going to do the organic conversions from the chapter amines. My name is Arpita Banerjee and you are watching Arpita Classes. Let's get started. The first conversion is from ethanoic acid to methanamine. So let us draw the structure first. Ethanoic acid is CH3C double bond O OH. From here you need to convert till CH3NH2 methanamine. So first what we are going to do is we will treat ethanoic acid with ammonia with little bit of heating. So we will be getting CH3C double bond O NH2. We know that when carboxylic acids are treated with ammonia along with heating, it converts into amide. Now we will do Hofmann-bromamide degradation reaction. We can see this is a step down reaction. Here we have two carbon atom, here we have only one carbon atom. So and that too we have to convert from amide to amide. So the reaction is Hofmann-bromamide reaction. Bromine and KOH. This is called as Hofmann-bromamide degradation reaction, HBD, where this CO will be vanished and you will be getting amine from here. The next conversion is ethanamine to methanamine. Again, this is a step down reaction. Let us draw the structure. Ethanamine CH3CH2NH2. From here, I need to get CH3NH2, that is methanamine. So what I'll do is, first I'll treat this with nitrous acid HNO2. Ethanamine will convert into ethyl alcohol CH3CH2OH. Now this ethyl alcohol will be treated with KMNO4 in presence of H+, or you can treat this with any oxidizing agent so that you convert this alcohol into carboxylic acid. So we get CH3COOH. Now the previous in the previous conversion we have done from carboxylic acid to amines, same thing. We'll first treat this with ammonia along with heating, so it will convert into CH3CONH2, that is amide, and now from amide to amine with one carbon atom less, so that is Hofmann-bromamide degradation reaction, bromine and KOH, HBD reaction. This CO will be gone and you will be getting methanamine. The next conversion is a step-up reaction where we need to convert methanamine to ethanamine. It is a step-up reaction. The structure of methanamine is CH3NH2. We need to convert this to CH3CH2NH2. There are two carbon atoms here. So first we will treat this with HNO2, nitrous acid, so that we convert it into CH3OH, methyl alcohol or methanol. Now we'll treat this with AsOCl2 so that we can convert it into chloromethane. Now this chloromethane will be treated with KCN so that we convert it into CH3CN, and now this CH3CN will be just hydrolyzed H3, or what we can do is, so CH3CN, we can do hydrolysis or we can directly reduce it with lithium aluminium hydride. If you reduce this directly, you will be getting CH2NH2. So that is CH2NH2. This reduction hydrogen will get added over here and you will be getting CH3CH2NH2. That is your ethanamine. Number 4 conversion is nitromethane to dimethylamine. Nitromethane is CH3NO2. From here, dimethylamine is CH3NHCH3. So first of all, nitromethane will be reduced, Fe plus HCl will be reduced to CH3NH2, that is amine, methylamine. Now if I treat this methylamine with CH3Cl, this reaction is called as Hofmann-amnolysis reaction, where this lone pair of nitrogen, this will attack this carbon atom and this chlorine will be gone as a leaving group. So you will be getting CH3N Just see this N is attacking this CH3, and there are two hydrogen attached with this nitrogen. Nitrogen has given its lone pair of electrons, so it will be getting a positive charge. Now in the next step, this Cl minus will take this hydrogen and this bond will be broken, and finally you will be getting dimethylamine. So nitromethane first reduced to methylamine or methanamine, followed by Hofmann-Amnolysis reaction gives you dimethylamine. 5 is aniline to benzene alcohol. Aniline is NH2 group attached to the benzene ring. This is your aniline. From here, I need to convert to CH2OH, benzyl alcohol. Okay, so you can see one carbon atom got added over here. Aniline will be first treated with NaNO2 plus HCl. This particular reaction is called as diazotization reaction, where we'll be getting a diazonium salt, benzene diazonium chloride, N2 plus Cl minus. Now this benzene diazonium chloride is treated with H3PO2 along with heat. It will convert into benzene. So we got benzene over here. Now this benzene will be treated with CH3Cl in presence of anhydrous AlCl3. Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction, where alkyl group will get attached to the benzene ring. So CH3 group gets attached to the benzene ring. Now I will be treating this with chlorine along with sunlight. Substitution reaction will take place, and this CH2Cl, this will be getting, okay. After that, I will be treating this with aqueous KOH or aqueous NaOH. We all know that the role of aqueous KOH or NaOH is to substitute the halogen with OH group. So this halogen Cl will get substituted by OH group and will get benzyl alcohol. Okay. The next conversion is question number 6 is benzoic acid to aniline. Conversion number 6, benzoic acid to aniline. Let us draw the structures. Benzoic acid is COOH group attached to the benzene ring. From here, I need to convert to aniline, where benzene ring is attached to the NH2 group. So first of all, benzoic acid is treated with ammonia in presence of heat. We know that when carboxylic acids are treated with ammonia in presence of heat, it converts into amide. So we will be getting benzamide, C double bond O NH2, benzamide. Now from amide to amine, very famous reaction, that is Hofmann-Bromamide degradation reaction, Br2 plus KOH, HBD, Hofmann-Bromamide degradation reaction, where the CO group will be going, it will go off and will be getting aniline here. 7 is butane nitrile to propan 1 amine. Butane nitrile is CH3, CH2, CH2, CN. From here, we have to convert CH3, CH2, CH2, NH2. Butane nitrile to propan 1 amine. First of all, butane nitrile will be hydrolyzed. If we hydrolyze this in presence of acid, nitrile will convert into amide. So we'll get CH3, CH2, CH2, C double bond O, NH2. Basically, HOH gets added to this, oxygen goes here and 2 hydrogen comes here. So CONH2, amide you get. Now from amide to amine, with 1 carbon atom less, you can see there are 4 carbon atoms here. We are getting an amide with 3 carbon atoms. Step down reaction, very well known, HBD. So that is bromine plus KOH, HBD reaction, and you get amide. Okay, so this is your seventh conversion. Now conversion number 8. Conversion number 8 is nitropropane to propane 1 amine. Propane one amine. Let us draw this. Nitropropane is CH3, CH2, CH2, NO2. From here, I need to get CH3, CH2, CH2, NH2. So where is the change? The NO2 group converts into NH2 group. Rest of the things are same, propyl group. So only NO2 should be converted to NH2, and for that we have reduction, Fe plus HCl. Reduction will convert the NO2 to NH2. So the next conversion number 8 is phthalimide to propan 1 amine. Phthalimide is, this is your benzene ring, C double bond O NH, C double bond O NH. This is your phthalimide. Now this phthalimide will be first treated with alcoholic KOH. Okay. So if I treat this with alcoholic KOH, I will be getting C double bond O N K plus N minus, C double bond O this. Okay. So basically HOH will go from here, water will come out and will be getting NK. Now since I have to get propan 1 amine, I will be treating this with CH3, CH2, CH2Cl, one haloalkane with 3 carbon atoms, so that this KCl comes out from here. We'll be heating it little bit, KCl will be coming out and we will be getting this compound C double bond O N CH2 CH2 CH3. We'll get this compound. Now after that, when we treat this with NaOH, we get COONA. Here also C double bond O, ONA, Na plus O minus, and along with that we get CH3, CH2, CH2, NH2, CH3, CH2, CH2, NH2. So particularly this particular part will give us the amine, primary amine. So we get CH3, CH2, CH2, NH2. So if I want to get propane 1 amine, I have to treat with the haloalkane with contains 3 number of carbon atoms. If I have to get ethane 1 amine, here I will be using 2 number of carbon atoms and so on. Okay. So this is how we get phthalimide to propan 1 amine. The next conversion is methyl iodide to ethanamide. 1 minute. Methyl iodide to ethanamide. Let us draw this. Methyl iodide to ethanamide. So your methyl iodide is CH3I. From here, I need to get CH3, CH2, NH2. So very clearly it is a step up reaction. So first of all, this will be treated with KCN so that I get CH3CN. And now you know CH3CN is reduced by lithium aluminium hydride. It is reduced by lithium aluminium hydride. Hydrogen gets attached over here and we get ethanamide. So methyl iodide to ethanamide. Next conversion is propionaldehyde to propyl 1 amine. The 10th one. Propionaldehyde to propyl amine, that is propan 1 amine or propyl amine. Okay. So propionaldehyde is CH3, CH2, C double bond O, H. From here I need to get CH3, CH2, CH2, NH2. Propionaldehyde to propan 1 amine. So first of all, I will be treating this with NH2OH, hydroxylamine. Hydroxylamine will get attached over here. Water will go out from here. This oxygen and these 2 hydrogen will come out and we will be getting CH3, CH2C, double bond NOH. We'll get this. Now when this is treated with sodium alcohol, Na in presence of ethyl alcohol, which is basically reducing agent, so reduction will take place and this will convert into CH2NH2. So CH2NH2 and water will come out of it. So basically propionaldehyde is treated with hydroxylamine. This particular reaction we have done in aldehyde ketones chapter. So minus water will come out, hydrogen, 2 hydrogens from here, oxygen from here, and it will give you this, and then after that the reduction of this will give you this. Okay. Last conversion is from benzene to NN-dimethyl aniline. Benzene to NN-dimethyl aniline. First I'll write it down. Benzene to N-N-dimethyl aniline. This is our last conversion for today's video, and along with this we'll complete the conversion, organic conversion video also. Benzene to N-N-dimethyl aniline. Aniline is NH2. Now when these 2 hydrogens are replaced by methyl groups, this is called as N-N-dimethyl aniline. So first of all, benzene is treated with concentrated HNO3 and concentrated H2SO4, which is called as nitrating mixture, so that the nitro group is inserted in the benzene ring and we get nitrobenzene. Okay. Now this nitrobenzene is treated with Fe plus HCl, that is reduction, and we know that nitro group reduced to NH2 group. Right. After this, if we treat this with 2 moles of CH3I. Okay, so what will happen? This here CH3 group will get attached with the nitrogen, because this lone pair of electrons in nitrogen will attack this carbon atom, and this iodine will go, because it is a better leaving group. So there are 2 moles, so this will happen 2 times, and finally we'll get N-N-dimethyl aniline. So we have completed the organic reactions, organic conversions from all the chapters. First I started with some tricks, and then I showed you the flow chart, how this will happen, and then I have taken examples from each and every chapter, starting from haloalkanes, haloarenes to amines. If you want to see the other videos, you can, the link is given in the description box. You can go to the link and you can see your desired video. Thank you so much. Stay tuned.